Hey, Diamond. This is Kojo here in Chicago, Brownsville. I'm give you a little quick tour of my studio. Matter of fact, you're now looking at downtown Chicago. The Loop, we call it. And that's Dee Alexander, jazz diva here in Chicago in the background. That's her, you know, you can't miss her, that's the girl. Alright, so now I'll start here. Okay, we just do a little clean sweep here. I'll start off with my left wall here. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning here. And okay, I'll just swing around here. That's my little, that's my creative bench there. Well, that's my cute. Some say that's my wife. Matter of fact, her name is Maxine, of course. All right, that's enough of that. I don't want to put all the business out there in the street. That's my wall of honor here. I'm trying to keep this short as possible. Okay, so I'll switch over here. That's my little studio here. Well, that's part of it. Actually, it's a bedroom. you know, that's where we do our research and stuff at. Okay, and let me walk around here a bit. Actually, this is supposed to be the entrance, the door. Well, it is. I use it sometimes. So I walk through here, and this is what you're confronted with. Well, this is what I'm confronted with every day. And let me put this up here so I have more room to turn around. Pretty soon I'll be needing a larger place. Okay, so you know, that's one that I just about finished. I think I finished. Well, I put my signature on it. And we swing around here. These are some works in process here, right there, and swinging around here. That's the other window, of course. And I thought I had finished this one, but they had another baby. I think that'll be it. That's my niece and her boyfriend. Not her boyfriend, that's her husband. Yeah, the Yates family. Okay, I gotta add a little girl in there, see. I gotta finish that up too. That's one of my problems. Well, it's not really a problem, you know, starting a lot of things. I like to work on several pieces at a time here. You never know. Okay, so we're back here, and this is about 3 minutes. So I'm going to cut it short here. Okay, that's another swing here. Hey, when can I get a shot in here? Okay, this is a little nook here. Oh, and I have hundreds of hundreds of you know, drawings and photographs. You know, you can see this here. I just flip through it. I don't want to go over my 5 minutes, of course. So I said, well, all you do is paint black people. I said, no, baby. I paint everybody. That's what artists do. Artists paint, shoot. They don't care what color they are. Of course, we don't have hang-ups. Oh, these are some of my online books. Online print-on-demand books, you know. You can see these on my website. Actually, on Amazon. Just go to Amazon and type in Curtis Kojo Morrow or Curtis James Morrow. Either one will get you right there. And I got thousands of pictures of photographs. And so these are just, I'm giving you a quick flip. This is black and white here. Now these are print on demand. And also I have here, this is my children's book. I have in mind of doing a whole series of them. And these are some of the photos I took during my visit to Ghana. This is another book. That was my first book, published book. Was A Comedy of a Day to Black People. There was 1 year in here. People don't like this. They don't like to be reminded of the war pictures. Okay, it's 5 minutes, and now my time is up for this series here. So I'm going to cut off, and I'll be talking to you soon, if not sooner. Okay? Anyway, Diamond, she's my agent, manager, I hope. If she can put up with me. Okay, talk to you later. Y'all have a great, beautiful weekend and Friday. And be creative. Don't be envious. You know, just be nice to yourself. Okay, over and out. Peace.